Welcome to the Seller Suite. I'm Roz Dupiton, a real estate advisor, here to help you maximize your home's value and execute a top dollar sale. There are three home buyer behaviors that tend to shock home sellers, even though they're quite common. The first is comparisons. So, yes, your neighborhood's market activity will have the greatest impact on your home's value. So, keeping an eye on the market in your immediate area is always a great idea. But today's buyers are searching far and wide, comparing commuting options, home types, cities, and even states like never before. If your home is in the city, for example, you may be competing with not only other city neighborhoods, but also certain suburbs. If it's a high-rise condo, potential buyers may also be looking at townhomes or single-family homes in more affordable neighborhoods. Serious buyers are giving those online mortgage calculators quite a workout to see which price, HOA, property tax, monthly payment combinations work best for their budget. And some aren't afraid to make trade-offs in location or home type to make the numbers work. They are also negotiating. While there are pockets of our market where homes sell above asking and really quickly, buyers across the board are shopping for the best price and terms they can get. Be ready to see offers with prices below asking or requests to pay all or a portion of the buyer's closing costs. Make sure your asking price leaves room for you to pay the costs of mortgage interest rate buydowns to make savvy buyers' monthly costs on your home a bit more manageable. This is a big one and the toughest for agents to explain. It's cold feet. For some buyers, the thrill of the property chase is so exciting until they get the home of their choice under contract. While we certainly vet buyers' qualifications when we receive offers on our listings, we can't always tell exactly who's least likely to back out of a deal after the contract is signed. Sometimes cold feet are triggered by home inspection findings, but real estate can be an emotional experience, and some buyers simply discover they're not ready to commit yet. If you're considering the sale of your home sometime in the next 6 to 12 months, it's important that we get in touch to talk about how the market may be impacting your plans. Please schedule a free, no obligation discovery call with me to talk about how the market has impact on your equity.